Hi besties, today I'm going to be decorating and cleaning my kitchen. I really want to decorate above my kitchen cabinet. I think that's the only thing that I have left to decorate. I am using a lot of my enamelware, so come along with me so we can decorate today. I should have shown you guys what was in that box. I actually ordered the little gumball machines from Amazon. When I received them, I thought they were so small. I still haven't made up my mind if I want to keep them or not. So I'm just gonna put that to the side for now. I think they're the perfect size for like a 2-tier or a 3-tier tray. They're really cute, but I just think they're kind of on the smaller side. I'm still loving this Mrs. Meyer's lemon verbena scent. It's my favorite. I had someone leave me a comment saying to try out the peony scent, so I'm gonna be on the lookout. I really need to go to Target to see what I can find. After Christmas, I put away my utensil holder that I had. I had a gingerbread one out, so I went over to Home Goods and found this one. I think it is so beautiful. I love the hobnail and it was only $7.99, so I picked up 2 of them. I do like to have my utensils out, so when I'm cooking it's just a lot easier for me to use them. So I'm gonna use both of these on each side of my stove. All of my utensils are from Hobby Lobby. I really love this one right here. I actually went and purchased some more of them. I'm really happy that they brought them back with the spring shop decor. I finally decided to pick up the little small utensils from the Ray Dunn collection, and you guys, I don't know what I did with the little whisk, but it's all like smashed and everything. I really can't remember what happened to it. I think I pulled it out of my drawer and it kind of got stuck on the door and it got all ugly. I was so sad about it because it's so cute and I think it's like the perfect size. One of the things that I want to replace this year is this stove. I really don't like it. When we moved here, this was left behind and it's really stained on the back burners. I'm not really sure how to clean it. I think it's because they must have scrubbed it with, I'm not sure what they scrubbed it with, but it seems like it took off some of the white enamel. So eventually I'm gonna replace it. For now it's fine, but sometime this year I do want to buy a new one so it can also match with my other appliances that I already have. But I really can't go out and buy everything at the same time, so one thing at a time, I tell myself. During the whole month of January, I hadn't even noticed, or it didn't even bother me, that I still had these gingerbread clings still up. So I finally decided to remove them. I don't know if it was because I was recording the video that I noticed them, but I want to wipe down all of my refrigerator. I'm just going to be using the Method window cleaner. I'm gonna put away my potatoes in my refrigerator. I never used to do that. I always used to leave them out, but ever since you guys know the whole thing that's going on right now, I feel like I put everything in the refrigerator just to make it last a little bit longer. Let me know if that's something that you guys do. I do notice that they last a little bit more, so I'm really happy about that because I really don't like to waste any food. I really want to remove the cabinet that I have right here that's decorated with my teapots and my pitchers. I went over to Home Depot the other day and I purchased some new shelf brackets. I just have them right here in the kitchen. I already cut up the wood, but I don't know, I just feel like I haven't had any time to remove the cabinet. And I've been thinking about putting some shiplap as my backsplash, but I really don't know what I want to do, if I want to put tile or if I want to do shiplap. I just want to do like the most affordable thing, and I think that's gonna probably be the shiplap because I can probably just do that on my own. Look what I found over at Hobby Lobby. They brought these little trucks out again for the spring shop. They actually had so many different colors. If you guys missed out on the pink truck, they actually brought that back. It's a little bit shinier. There's really not much of a difference, but I did notice that it's a little bit shinier. It's just as pretty. So if you guys missed out on that and want that little truck, they have them in stock. They had so many, you guys. Another thing that I want to do is paint my kitchen cabinets. I need your help, you guys. I can't decide if I want to paint them black just because it will be easier to maintain, or if I want to paint them white. I can't really decide. I'm leaning more towards the black, but I really don't know if that's gonna make the kitchen darker. Let me know if you guys have black cabinets. I would love to know what you guys think, if you guys really like them, because I'm leaning more towards the black, but I still haven't decided. If I do paint them, it probably won't be till it starts warming up, like spring or summertime. I'm thinking if I paint the cabinets black, the only thing I'm going to replace is going to be the countertop. I do plan to purchase a white one, and I would have the white shiplap as the backsplash. So let me know what you guys think. I wanted to show you guys what I picked up over at Costco. I picked up this Krusty's banana bread mix. It's really easy to make. It's like making a cake. The same ingredients like water, oil, and eggs, but it tastes exactly like if you're making homemade banana bread. It's really yummy. Let me know if you guys have tried it. The instructions say to mix it with the spoon, but every time I mix with the spoon, my hands really hurt. So I prefer to use my KitchenAid on the low setting. I almost forgot to add my chocolate chips. I totally forgot and till the end, but luckily I caught it on time. I really like my banana bread with chocolate chips and even like walnuts. That's really yummy to me. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to decorating. I'm gonna start decorating above my kitchen cabinets, and since it's still cold outside, you guys, I'm just using things that I was able to take out from my shed. So eventually I do plan to switch this up, maybe during springtime, like towards the end of spring to early summer. I was having a hard time decorating this spot right here. I really wanted to use all of my cutting boards, but I didn't know how to stand them up, so I'm just going to be using this little bench right here. I've been considering making my own pig cutting boards. I really want different sizes so I can display them on my new shelves. So hopefully it gets warmer here and I can be outside to cut out my little pig cutting boards. I'm really excited for that. I'm gonna be using my black rooster in this middle section right here. I really would love to find a black hen to go with my rooster. I've had no luck though. Every time I go to the thrift store, I've been looking for any type of hen. Even though I don't like the color, I can always paint it. That's no problem, but I haven't found any. Or I would even like a white rooster to go with my black rooster. I think that would also be really nice. I'm thinking of buying some fake veggies to put in my pots. I think that would be really nice. Or maybe some greenery. I'm not really sure what I want to do with them, but I think adding more greenery up above my cabinets would make it look a little bit more nicer and more like spring. So I'm gonna keep an eye out when I go to Hobby Lobby to see what I can find. Painting this area right here has been on my to-do list for the longest time, and since I was up here decorating, I decided to finally just take out my big paint bucket. I think that's what was stopping me, that it's just, I think it's a 5-gallon bucket. It's kind of big and heavy, and I just hate taking the paint out of there for some reason. So I finally did it, and I'm so happy that I did. Let me show you guys how everything looks now. I think it looks really pretty, very farmhouse. I really love all of the little farm animals and my hens that I have. Those are my favorite. I love this little area right here too. I just really like everything, you guys. I'm really happy with all of the enamelware that I also used. Leave me a comment down below letting me know if you guys decorate above your kitchen cabinets. I really enjoy seeing all of my decor above there, so I always have it decorated for each season or holiday. I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys on Sunday for my Valentine's home tour. Bye besties, have a great day.